All right, number 4. 20 minus 9 and 75/100. Now notice 20 is a whole number. Where's the decimal on 20? It's always at the end. So 20, point, add a decimal, and a 0. Now minus, decimal goes straight down. The 9 goes under the 0 on the 20. And I have 0.75. But notice, I have 2 places behind the decimal here. Up here I only have 1. We need to annex a 0. Now it's time to subtract. Now I cannot subtract 5 from nothing. So I'm going to go over and borrow. Nope, he has nothing. He has nothing, but the 2 has something. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 2. That becomes a 1. But notice I have to come over and I have to give him 10 of them. But now this guy says, hey, I still need to borrow 1. So I'm going to borrow from the 10, make it a 9. And this guy becomes 10. Borrow from the 10, make it a 9. This guy becomes 10. Now notice there's no one else to borrow or who needs anything, so we're going to leave that as a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Decimal straight down. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 20 minus 9 and 75/100 gives me 10 and 25/100.